Hello guys, it's Liz again. I planted some napa cabbage and lettuce seedlings yesterday, and I'm going to finish them today. And I'm also going to sow the sugar snap and melting sugar snow pea seeds. I'm going to use low NPK and non-burning fertilizer. The NPK is 533 and alfalfa meal, which I soaked last night. I put already the granule fertilizer. I planted the two vegetables alternate because the napa cabbage can get big, so it's going to need more space. The pea seeds were soaked overnight. Days to germinate is between 5 to 12 days. Depends upon if the seeds are new. I'm going to plant 3 to 5 seeds per cell, and I'm also going to use this as a support. The depthness when you sow the seeds is 1 to 1.5 inches.